Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to access Cloudflare Zero Trust. Now what you need to do is just come to cloudflare.com and then you need to come here. You can come to this URL, right? Or you can search it up on the website right here using the search icon. Just search Zero Trust and you can actually try it out for free as well. So now as you can see, the dashboard is loading. And you can just make an account right here and you choose a plan. Okay, so you can see it's loading up. So you come here, you enter your email, you enter a password as well. So let me go ahead and type that in. Once you're done with this, the email and password, make sure adhere to these guidelines. Just verify that you are a human here. Okay, basically doing this little captcha. Click here on sign up. So we're proceeding with Zero Trust, as you can see right here. So just give this a few seconds to go ahead and initialize. And now you'll be redirected right here. Okay, so we'll close this. And now it's building our Zero Trust home. So we just wait for a bit. And now you can select your account. We'll choose this email. There you go. And now, as you can see, we are getting it to our dashboard. You can now, choose your team name. So let me go ahead and type in tutorials 2713.cloudflareaccess.com. So that'll be my team name. Okay, and then you click on next right there. If the team name is taken, you can try another one. So you can see that name works. And now you can try from the different bundles available. So you can even go for a free one, $0, as you can see. So you select the plan that you want, and then you go ahead and proceed further. So let's go ahead and select this one, Zero Trust free, proceed right there. And you just add a payment method, and you would get access to Cloudflare Zero Trust. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.